just gotta pop this shit out real quick. What's up, YouTube? Okay, boom. Okay, boom, we good. All right, I can see you guys on YouTube now too. What's good, Zen Master? Hope you guys had a great time. Man, we had a fucking beautiful time, bro. You know what we do. Zero sleep and lots of fun. Lots and lots of fun, you know? What's new? I mean, like lots and lots of fun, bro. Plug. All right, cool. Check it out. So, US 30 on 4 hour time frame. I'm talking like lots of fucking fun, bro. So go to 4 hour time frame on US 30. We're flying, yo. I mean, price is continuously pushing up to all time highs. We're not close to it, but we're definitely pushing up to all time highs. I mean, I don't have anything really in the way besides this area sitting all the way over here that I don't even know if it's going to be prevalent in the future. You know, we just don't have enough reactions to kind of say anything about it. So we're in new structure territory. Finally. One thing about, so what I'm saying is I'm extremely bullish, you know. Now that we've broken out of, and let me delete all this shit off here. Now that we've broken out of this painful range that we've been in for an entire month, still did very well, but painful range nonetheless is going back and fucking forth. Turn your screen on, Master M. Oh, this is just for VIP. If you guys want to see my screen before session opens, you have to join my group. Link is down in the description. I got you. You should be able to see my screen now. All right, cool. So I'm bullish. You know, I'm only really wanting to look for buys until we get something that starts to push price away from an area, giving us some type of valid resistance, you know? But outside of that, I don't have shit all the way up into all-time highs sitting up here. Way up here. And so we're just bullish. Going to lower time frames and kind of going off of those same mechanics, let's see what we got going on. So we got previous session highs and lows sitting right here. Neither one of them has been violated yet. We have our most recent resistance sitting up here. And then obviously we have our most recent support sitting down here. We have a trend line that may potentially be forming. I mean, we have a, it's 15 minute, not 5 minute, but higher low to next higher low. We haven't had that third reaction yet, so can't use that as part of our bias. I mean, we're kind of just sitting in an interesting place because if we were to break below these lows, bro, I'm not getting into this trade. Let me go ahead and go live on Instagram too. Let's see how that looks up there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I'm not going to take the break below these lows because we have London lows sitting down here. And so what I expect is fucking a break below these lows, some type of opposite end reaction, giving me that newfound support, and then I would take the break below that newfound support, bro. But we won't be taking any shorts until that happens. Need a plug for them auto firearms, bro. Ha, nice shooting video. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Auto firearms are illegal. What's good, Zen Master? Hope you guys had a great time. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for sales. As far as buys go. We got like, let's see here. Let me clarify here. We got like 23 points, bro. 23 points before we come up to London highs. And so more often than not, you know, if we break above this level, sure, we get a better entry. But more often than not, we're going to get that opposite end reaction as soon as we come up to London highs, form some type of newfound resistance, and then we can take that break. But I don't know, man. I really don't want to fucking wait for all. We're directly in the middle of London range. So like to wait for all that to happen is going to be a little bit. So we'll see. If we don't break above these highs before session open, I might get us in early, but we'll just have to see. I'm bullish, bro. So all fucking confirmations and everything is leading to us mooning. So I kind of want to hop on that same wagon, but it's got to be on our terms. Trend line from the high down. Huh?
You just read it, the trend line.
Oh, the trend line. The trend line, brother. Yeah, so we have a trend line up here from this high all the way down to the next lower high. But there's no weight to it yet. You know, same with this guy sitting down here. Yeah, I could potentially be tapping it right now and then give us that third reaction. But There's no weight to it yet as far as us being able to use as part of our buys. It's just another reason why we don't want to get into the trade right here. Do you ever check WhatsApp? No, I don't, Paul. Are you in here? No, I don't, bro. But I'm going to check it right now for you, pal. What's up, everybody on YouTube? What's going on? How you guys doing? But don't forget about us. Blessings. Need a plug? Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Would you say it's better to wait for confirmation above London High? Is it better? I mean, yeah, bro, of course. You know, if we're talking the utmost highest quality setups, what were to happen if we were to break above these highs? Let's break it down real quick. We got a 8 minute still session. Okay, so let me take all this shit off of here. And check it out. All right, so is higher time frame trend on our side for this trade? You know, are we currently reacting off of a 4-hour support? Fuck yes, and we're extremely bullish. So both of these higher time frame support resistance and trend in our favor. 5-minute trend line. If we start to hold here now, you know, reject to some type of degree, then push back above, we'll have 5-minute trend line on our side. Obviously, always have 5-minute support resistance on our side. We'll then also have previous session highs on our side because we'll be manipulating that high and giving us a newfound resistance. And, well, I don't know about 2 candle structure till it comes, but this is literally the highest of probability setups I could possibly take within my system if it were to violate previous session highs too. If not, still a decent trade. You know, I still at least have 3 or more confirmations, so I'll still take the trade. It's just not of the utmost highest quality. It's a fucking 83% trade. Being a D plus to F minus student in school, a B plus trade is fantastic, bro. That's what I do. I have a 4-hour support marked up right below London lows on US 30. I have a 4-hour support marked up right below London lows on US 30. You talking about, Willis? Like in this area here, more so? Like right here? It's clean? I hear you. It's clean. You got good pushes away from this area. Maybe it'll come to show in the future too. It's clean. I dig it. I used to have it up there. I took it away for some reason. Or maybe it just got deleted when I was in class. Who knows? So I've been trying to make sure I fucking don't have class with the same things. All right, so going into NES. 4-hour time frame. What's going on? Flying. All-time highs are sitting all the way back here. And we're even higher than all-time highs, just like I was all last week. And so what we're looking for is buys. I'm only looking for buys. Going down to lower time frames. Let me go down to 5-minute time frame. We're kind of ranging sideways, bro. But same exact mechanics. I mean, we have previous session high here. We have previous session low sitting down here. And we haven't violated either one of them yet. We're currently reacting off of this trend line. Looks like for the fucking 5th time or so. 1, 2, I guess all of this is 3. 4th time reacting off of this trend line. And so we got a bit better structure to play off of if we wanted to play here. You know, we have a resistance that's starting to form here. I would want to wait for 2 candle structure, just simply meaning this next candle to close bearish too. All London highs are fucking, damn, still 23 points away. But, you know, we damn near will be able to put our stops to break even by having a 30-point stop loss. Like we should. This is a lot cleaner of a buy setup if I wanted to take it during session open instead of waiting. As far as sales go, there's gonna. First of all, I don't want to sell the damn market off in the middle of fucking nowhere. But if we did, it would heavily have to be on our terms. You know, if we take a lower confluent setup, it will definitely only be buys today for sure. We'd have to get a break below lows. London lows, a push back within range, and then newfound support to form, and then we would take the break belows, lows type shit. Same thing, different day. Back to work? Yeah, back to work, Andre. Appreciate you for coming out, brother. You're a fucking blast. You and your lady. Next time, I will make sure that my lady comes, and she was fucking, for the first time, bro, in a long time, she was very mad at me, and I got very annoyed about it. I'm like, why the fuck is she? Let me go have fun with the boys and shit. But then you go look, bro, I like disappeared for 5 days, and I only called her twice in 5 days, you know. But for all of you women out there, remember, this is a two-way street, so it's just not the man's responsibility to reach out to you. It is also your responsibility to reach out to us too. Fuck. But we did it. We got into a pretty rough argument, bro, the first time in a very long time. How's the wives and kids doing? Do you use Coinbase to get funds into your Gates FX account? Yes, I use Coinbase for all crypto transactions. If you don't have a relationship with them, it's going to be tough for most of you. They're going to hold your funds for 7 days and then release them and so on and so forth. Your limits are going to be a lot lower. But me, who's been with Coinbase since, fucking 20, I don't know, 17, my status is really good with them. You don't really have limits as far as withdrawing, as far as depositing, so everything's extremely seamless. But my favorite part about it all is customer service. When I need something, I can reach out to somebody and get something done. Same with my payment processor. I was using the same payment processor for my old businesses for fucking years. Something finally, well, we don't ever want anything to happen in business, but something very bad happened, and I couldn't reach out to anybody because they didn't have any customer support, which is like a lot of these fucking exchanges. You can't call anybody. It's insane. So yeah, whatever you guys do, make sure that you get customer support, and the businesses that you work for, they can fuck off and you can get somebody else. There's a million businesses that do everything. What's up, Emmett? I heard you mention a week or two ago you were dabbing. I don't dab anymore, bro. You were dabbling with the AI for picking out trades in ETC. How's that been? It's been good, bro. I've been stuck in a cave in my office for like fucking a week. And it's actually not saying it's easy. It's easier for me to do it because I don't have to instruct somebody on how to create my system, And so since I'm doing it for myself and I'm cutting out that middleman, it's very nice, bro. It's very, very nice. But you guys gotta, honest, I want to tell you within a couple weeks, but that's just a fucking lie. Once I get the bot created, then I have to do vigorous testing on multiple different environments. Like, I'm not going to sell no horse shit, so it's just going to take time. It's the reason why I haven't told any of you guys about it any further than where it's been. It's just gonna take me time. We love Emmett, no homo. We love you too, bro. No homo. I know the hair says otherwise. Hey man, you only trade live 3 days? No, I trade live 5 days, just 3 days for free. And if you want all 5 days, join the link in the description. It's $65 a month, and you can watch me every fucking day, bro. Looks like we're getting close to these buys. My phone is off, isn't it? Oh shit. I really like these buys above this high. For our first trade, just give it a go, see what happens. My phone's off, so I may not be able to get in with you guys. What's fucking new? And then as far as US 30 goes, we're just waiting. All right, the buy is above this level here. Okay, so we're gonna violate London. Oh wow, that's a big ass stop loss, bro. What the fuck? Let me get ready here 1 second. Are you Mexican? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I actually wasn't born Mexican. I just turned Mexican during the last haircut. Yeah, this is fresh Mex. I learned how to speak Spanish this weekend, and we're really just right where we need to be in life, fellas. What's up, Emmett? I am the first time live with you with that instant funded account that you gave me. Appreciate. Oh, let's get it, bro. Let's fucking get it, bro. No, bro, this is kind of a fat stop loss, bro. That just must mean that there's no way that we can lose. It's guaranteed win. Everyone get in that same entry. Use Emmett's broker. Boss mode. Oh, damn. Thank you, bro. Raymond. You guys are on your shit today. We got 47 people in this bitch. Make sure you guys like and comment. This is the last week of me being live on YouTube, unless I get 100 concurrent people right now. Those opening candles stop loss a killer. Yeah. Yeah, so go tell your mother. Yo, I'm not going to be able to watch Emmett trade live again if you don't fucking hop onto the stream. I got to give a lot more love to my VIP group, what we're doing is we're switching it around. So I'm not going to be going free more than I'm going paid. You know what I'm saying? That's not cool for the people who are paying me and shit. So we're going to switch it around. 3 days a week will be in fucking VIP, and then 2 days a week will be in YouTube. 1 in the chat if you guys want to do that. 2 in the chat if you don't. Okay, we got a 1. Perfect. That's what we're going to do. Well, the price is honestly overextended since it's been bullish from market open this week. I personally would have aimed for breakout buys myself, or maybe a 1-to-1. Wouldn't. They already put a 1, TB. Insane volume at opening. I mean, it's not too insane for me, brother. This is just what we're used to. Where are you going live now, or you will not do live streams anymore? No, I always do live streams, bro, for the rest of this week. I'm going to be doing it on YouTube Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday on VIP, but then it's just going to switch around. So it's still going to be the same platforms, bro. I'm still going to go free on here. It's just 2 days on YouTube and then 3 days with VIP. I mean, it's 5 days. VIP gets all 5 days. Obviously. VIP gets all 5 days. So look what we got going on here. We've just grabbed London lows. I mean, we're not grabbing. We're just sending. But we violated London lows. We'll see what happens at the closure of this candle. US 30 here. You know, we're close. We're kind of holding at this third trend line tap. We would never, ever, ever take this trade because that's sitting there. And I really would like it to break London lows, like we said, so we can get that newfound support. But we'll see, bro. It is what it is. Now, as far as this is where you guys got to follow along here because this is where people fuck up my system, it's not that tough. Now that we're starting to push below these lows, if we don't grab any lows at all, look what's forming here with this major fucking candle. New structure, okay? So that's when this starts to be an exterior high sitting up here. We don't want to wait for a whole, 90 points before we start to get into these buys. And that's when I'm starting to become dynamic with my system. I'm waiting for some type of support resistance to form internally from this new price leg. And then these are the trades I like to take. A break above newfound support or resistance within that range. So I'm just closer to where price is at. I already have my bias. I already